We are ecstatic about this room. It is huge. When you first come in the door, on the right-hand side, you have closet space. Lots of closet space. Like, these are giant closets. And you have 3 of them. This one has your safe, has shelving, and then another double closet here that is also significant. So you can store lots of stuff right from the get-go. This is our little area for drinkage. We have glasses. We have a coffee maker, espresso maker, I should say, and a kettle for tea. And we have a bottle of wine. Thank you, By Cruises, for our distinctive voyage. We are ecstatic about it. We are going to the Norwegian Fjords. On this side, on the left side, is a closet, a very significant closet. It is a walk-in closet of some size. We have our bags already in here. Some drawers, robes, slippers, lots and lots of hangers, which is awesome because we have lots of hanging stuff for this. Umbrella to take if it's raining. This is amazing. A little blanket for using out on the balcony when it's cool, which it probably will be, which that is awesome. And then we have the bathroom. The bathroom is huge. Biggest bathroom we've ever been in a ship. So this is the vanity area. And there's some shelving underneath, trash can, more shelving so we don't have to have our stuff out all over the counters like we normally do. This is amazing. We're so happy with this. There is our toilet area and our tub area, which our shower is a tub. So you can either take a bath or shower here. And that's pretty amazing. Actually, this is the first time that we've had a tub. This is an older ship, but I have to say, for it being such an old ship, this bathroom is in relatively good shape. There are some spots where they've repaired things. You can kind of tell where they've repaired some spots in the tub. There's also some spots like this, you know, where it's starting just to show its wear a little bit, and you know, where something was here and is no longer there. But for the age of this ship, it really is really nice. You know, sink, immaculate. Just yeah, I mean, this is the Queen Mary 2, and it's been around for a while. We have a mirror so you can see yourself. Voila, when you're changing. Let me go ahead and shut these. And now, on to the good part. This is our living room. We have the safety message playing. We have a cute little seating area, little love seat that we can sit at and eat. We have a nice table if we wanted to have room service. Because this is a Princess Grill suite room, we do have some goodies that we received upon arrival. Some champagne and some little treaties that probably are not vegan or plant-based, but nice thought. We also have a chair, which is awesome. This is the sleeping area. Now, last time we were in a ocean view room, and in that room we chose to have the bed in a twin configuration just because of the way the room was laid out. But in this one, because it's a much larger room, we opted to have the king, so we had room on either side to walk around and look out the windows and things. This is our desk area. There's lots of storage over here as well, and nice desk to work at, which we will be doing. Lots of plugs. There's some US plugs over here. There's some UK plugs over here. Some more US plugs here. And let me check about plugs for CPAPs, because I think it's going to be like the other one, and there's not going to be right next to the bed. This whole area across here is windows, and those windows go out to a large balcony, and I'll show you that in just a second. But I wanted just to check about the plug situation here, and I don't think that there's going to be a plug. I think it's going to be just like the other one. Yeah, there's not going to be any plugs over here, so we'll have to have a cord that we use at night to actually access our CPAPs. But yeah, this is, I mean, you can tell this is a significantly large room, and we're extremely pleased with this. It's fantastic. So nice. Let's go outside and take a look and see what we got. Open these curtains. And these windows are going to be amazing because we are going on the Norwegian Fjords. And we're going to want to look out these windows constantly. So this is really nice. And we'll go on out. We are still in Southampton, UK. At this point, we're right above a lifeboat, and there's Southampton. This is Southampton Port Hill. See a little bit of the town, and look how big this balcony is. Like, it's huge, right?
Turn around and show all the spare space too.
I mean, so here's the chairs. There's the door.
And we have fancy chairs.
Let me see if I can get a little bit better here. So, look at all that spare space over there. This is kind of amazing. We got little lights out there. But look at these chairs, y'all. They have cushions. They are chairs with cushions, and it looks like they recline. So I may never get Kathy off of here unless it's freezing cold, because...
No, this is going to become my footstool.
That's her footstool. This will probably be her working area. I don't think we'll ever get her out of here. I am all the way back at the wall, and that's how much balcony we have. We have 3 panels of glass on our balcony. We usually only have 1. So that's how big. We have glass all across the back of the room. This is going to be so great for this, since we're doing the Norwegian Fjords on Cunard Queen Mary 2. So we'll go back in, take a last look. Back into the room. There's a big step. And here we are again. Again, that is the area for sleeping. And this is the area for relaxing. The artwork is super cool. I really like it. It's very cool. I love a lot of things about this. Is the second time we've been on the Queen Mary 2. And the first time we thought we were going to be bored and we were just going to work the whole entire time. And I'm going to tell you what, we were never bored on this ship. And we have enjoyed every minute, and we're thrilled to be able to experience this Princess Grill room for the Norwegian Fjords. It's going to be amazing. We're going to have such an amazing view. We got all the things we could possibly need. There is a refrigerator. Right now, this refrigerator is primarily stocked with the stuff for the minibar that you pay for. And then there is our teas, coffees, sugars, bottle opener, and our lovely teacups to have our tea. So there you have it, folks. A Princess Grill room on the Cunard Queen Mary 2.